How to edit audio on Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can edit audio in Capcut PC, so let's dive in. So first of all, you have to add any audio to your Capcut project. For that, you can go to this media option and you can click this import and import any audio from your desktop or your device, or you can just go to this AI generated or library option. But for that, you have to go to this audio first, and then here you can just add any audio over here. Just click this plus sign and add the audio. You can also choose extracted audio, the TikTok audio, the copyright free audio, or the sound effect audio. And once you add the audio over here, you can open this music option, and here you'll get many options as well. Search for the song or name artist over here and add the audio, and then just select the audio over here. And now to edit it, you'll get this basic option over here. You can choose to edit the volume, you can increase it or you can decrease it, and you can also keep it normal. And once you increase the volume, you have this fade in option. You can just choose to fade in the voice and also fade out. You can choose the intensity over here, and then you can just choose this loudness normalization. You can enhance the voice, the noise reduction, and the vocal isolation as well. And now if you go to the voice changer over here, you get voice filters that you can use to edit the audio. You can choose any voice filter over here. You can also go to the voice characters and you can choose any voice character over here, or you can choose this speech to song option and you can just change the speech to a song. And also you can adjust the speed over here by going to the speed option and then just increasing or decreasing the time and the duration. And then you can choose to change the voice tone as well. And once done, you're good to go. Now you can just simply export the audio, and that's the process that you can follow to edit audio on Capcut PC. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.